Hello viewers, in this video we'll see BDUX Point Premium Plan. It is a combination of time and bonus plan. Here the worker will get as well as wages and the bonus. Here the standard production is fixed for the hour and every minute is taken as a BDUX point. Every minute is here taken as a point and that point is called as BDUX point. Okay, the number of points has to be determined in respect of each job, and if the actual time is more than the standard time, the worker will be paid on the hourly basis. And here the bonus is given to the worker at 75% of the points saved by the worker. Okay, the worker has to save the points, this BDUX point, and based on that point he'll get 75% as the bonus. Okay, now we'll see the formula to calculate the earnings under this BDUX point. Hours worked into rate per hour. This is the normal wages paid to the worker plus the bonus, that is 75 divided by 100 into BS into RH divided by 60. This BS is nothing but the number of points saved. Points saved, we have a formula to calculate that. Actual output points minus standard output points. And RH is nothing but basic rate per hour. Okay, I'll tell you how to calculate this point saved. Okay, now we'll see one problem. In a 10 hours working day, standard output is fixed as 100 units. Okay, the standard output is 100 units and it is a 10 hours working day. The normal working hours is 10. The BDUX point system is under operation. A worker produced 120 units during the day. The actual production by the worker is 120 units. The normal time rate is rupees 20 per hour and the normal rate per hour is 20. Ascertain the earnings of the worker for the day under BDUX point system. Okay, let's start doing the problem. First, the normal working hours, it is given, that is 10 hours. I have written that, and the standard output, it is also given, that is 100 units, and the actual output is 120 units. So I have written that. And next, 1 hour of standard time is equal to 60 Bs. That is 1 minute is equal to 1 B. So 1 hour comprises 60 minutes. So 60 minutes equal to 60 Bs. Okay, and we'll calculate the standard production point. Here the standard output is 100 and the normal working hours is 10 hours. So for this 10 hours, for 1 hour it is 60 B. So for 10 hours it is 600 Bs. That is 600 BDUX points. Okay. Now we have to calculate the point for 1 unit of standard output. Okay. For point for 1 unit of standard output equal to 600 Bs. Actually the output, standard output is 100 units. No. So we will divide 600 divided by 100, will get 6B. This is the point for 1 standard output. Using this we have to calculate the actual output points. Okay. The actual output here is 120. So 120 into 6 will get 720 Bs. Okay. This is the actual points and this is the standard points. Now we have to calculate the points saved. So 720, this is the actual point minus the standard production point, will get the points saved, that is 120 Bs. Okay. Now we can substitute in the formula. Okay. Earnings equal to hours worked into rate per hour plus 75 divided by 100 into BS into RH divided by 60. Hours worked is 10 hours. Okay, this one. And rate per hour, it is also given, that is 20. We can try that. Plus, as per the formula, 75 by 100, that is 75% into BS, point saved is 120. We found that. So 120 into RH is 20. We know rate per hour. That divided by 60. Okay, we'll get 20 plus 30. This is the time rate and this is the bonus. So we'll get 230. This is the earnings of the worker under BDEX point. Okay, we'll see one more problem. Ascertain wages of a worker under BDEX point premium system from the following details. Standard output per day of 8 hours is 160 units. Actual output during a day of 8 hours 200 units. Rate per hour is rupees 5. Let's start doing the problem now. Yes, normal working hours is given, that is 8 hours, and the standard output is 160 units. Actual output is 200 units that I have written. So 1 hour of standard time equal to 60B because 1 minute is equal to 1B. So 60 minutes equal to 60B. And this, now we have to find out the standard production points. So 8 hour is the working hours. So 8 into 60 will get 480 Bs. Okay. Now we have to calculate points for 1 unit of standard output. Okay. Here 480 Bs divided by the standard output is 160. So we'll get 3 Bs. So for 1 unit the point is 3B. Okay. Now we can calculate the actual output points. Okay. Actual output is 200 into 3. That is for 1 unit 3 Bs, no? So we have to calculate 200 into 3. So we'll get 600 Bs. Now we have to calculate the points saved. Actual output points minus standard output points. Actual output point is 600 we found, and standard output is point is 480. So minus 480 will get 120 Bs. Okay. So now we have hours worked in the problem, that is 8 hours. So I have written that, and rate per hour is 2. So I have written that, and the formula is 75 divided by 100, that is 75% into 120 into 5 divided by 60. Okay, BS is 120, no? That 120 into 5, okay, is equal to 40 plus 7.5. Okay, and the earnings under this BDEX point is 47.5. Okay, I hope you are now clear with the BDEX point premium system. Okay, I have given you a small problem for you to practice. Thank you for your patient listening.